Let's find out what our chartists make of this. Kunal and Naresh joining right back in. Kunal, give us a sense as to what your chartbuster idea is and the market mood as well.
So yeah, I think it's some bit of profit booking coming back into the indices. Maybe it could be healthy for the index to consolidate over here for the next couple of days. But in terms of charts, I think Bank of Baroda is something which is starting to look very attractive. So the stock was grinding into a 20-30 pointer range for itself, 250 to 280 approximately for the last 4 to 5 months, and it looks like that the stock is now heading towards a breakout. We've seen volumes coming back in the last 1 week, 10 days for Bank of Baroda as well as for many of the other PSU banking names. And I think what's the more important part is the stock heading towards a breakout of the higher resistance point. So this I believe could be a potential start of a fresh up move for many of the PSU banking names, including Bank of Baroda.
Right, okay. Bank of Baroda is making your list, Kunal. But Naresh, what is making your list on the Chartbuster ideas for today?
Chart for an index, that's the Nifty Private Banks Index. If we look at it in the start of the year, there were 4 attempts around this area of 25,000. Again, we came to the same levels in April, May, but again faltered. Then on exit poll day, we came very close to a new all-time high here. Then we faltered. And on the downside, we've seen supports around that trend line. So today, finally, we are back above the 25,000 mark. And we are setting up for a breakout. So more than 5 attempts done generally indicates that the breakout is in the making in the short term. And today is the first confirmation. So expecting going forward private banks to lead. And they've been an underperformer for a longest period of time. So expecting a lot of large cap private banks to make a 6 to 10% move over the next 1 to 3 months, could be faster also. So out here, the view is to look at ICICI, Axis, IndusInd as the top bets.
Okay, let's nail it down to those individual recommendations. It's actually interesting to monitor what's going on with the banking sector, given the kind of breakout that we witnessed. But let's get it down to individual ideas. Kunal?
So the first one is about SPI. The stock looking quite strong about that 850 mark. So would suggest a buy with a target of 880. Stop loss could be kept at 830 levels. And the second would be Avan Suntech Realty. This is a chart which after 3 or 4 days of correction is making a comeback. So the risk reward is quite attractive. Would suggest a target of 588, stop us at 553.
Naresh, and what are the stocks that you're looking at?
So first is the buy on Axis Bank, which has been the relative outperformer in the banking space. Stop loss at 1180, target price of 1300. Second is the buy on Sona Comstar, which has been sideways for the longest period. Is on verge of a breakout if it sustains 670 level. So very small stop loss here. Stop loss at 640, target price of 700.
Okay, thank you so much, Kunal, as well as Naresh, for those top bets coming in this morning. But
if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.